How to see hidden WhatsApp status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily see the hidden WhatsApp status. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, to access the status section, you're going to have to tap on updates on the bottom of your screen. And here you'll be able to see all of your updates and status. So as you can see here, I only have one recent updates from my contacts. So if you want to hide this, what you would typically do is mute the status. So once you have done that, your status will be hidden. Now to find your hidden status, you'll find this muted updates right here. Since I don't have many WhatsApp status from my contacts, it's right here on top. But if you have many status, you'll have to scroll all the way to the bottom. Then you'll see the muted updates. So just tap on this drop down and here you'll see the muted update. So you can just open it up, long press on it, and if you want to unmute, you can just tap on unmute and then it will be showing on your profile again. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.